Okay, today's the day we're gonna rip this tomato plant out. It's looked sickly since day one. It's not getting any better. I thought it was just the heat, but I have another Rutgers plant and it doesn't look anything like this. So let's get to it. Okay, here we go. I turned around. Why didn't the camera turn around? Oh my gosh, too funny. How about now? So this is the tomato plant. This is the Rutgers, you know, from day one. It's just looked ugly. Like, I don't know what the deal is. So I've decided it's time for it to come out. So yeah. Well, let's get to it. I'm gonna set the camera up so you can see me, and we're gonna plant some basil in there. What do you think of my boho headband? This is a different way. Do you like it better this way? I love that it keeps the sweat out of my eyes. I don't know about you, but I go out in the garden, I move around it all, and I'm sweating. And it's so annoying when you can't see and it's dropping in your eyes. All right, let me get this camera set up and let's get to it. Okay, hopefully you can see, and I'll try and stay out of the way, and let's get this puppy out of here. Okay, so just gonna cut it down at the base. And let's see if I can get these to cut. I don't know, I might need to go get my scissors. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, here we go. Cut this down. Charlotte Brown. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay. Whew. Okay, we better hurry before this camera shuts off. You know it loves to shut off because it gets hot. Okay, so we've got cinnamon basil, lemon basil, and blue spice basil. Jess Sowers had probably over a month ago now, maybe 2 months ago, she had a video where they made basil tea. And I've been wanting to plant these ever since she did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. This plant was sickly, pull it out. Let's plant some basil. We have plenty of time to have a harvest and have some tea in just a little bit. All right, here we go. Now I'm actually going to plant all three together. If this were going to go longer than, you know, this short season before winter, I probably wouldn't put all three together, but since I know that they're gonna die out quickly, I'll go ahead and put them all together. All right, here we go. So let's see. Whew. Gosh, it's hot out here. All right, so I'm gonna put one here, and that is gonna be the cinnamon basil in the back. Really should have this stuff set out before I start these videos, shouldn't I? Come on. What the heck? There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Way too many. Okay. So, I've got a few there. I don't know if you can see them. Let's try and stay out of the way. I'll drop them in that little hole there. Hopefully, one of them germinates. Okay, and then next up, lemon basil. Woo! Hot, 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 hot. Oh man. Who's ready for winter? Oh man. Let me tell you, I am ready. It has been way too hot here for way too long. I am over it. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, so we'll put it right here. Basil, lemon basil, whew. And last, blue spice. All right, blue spice, we'll put you right over here. Right over here. All right. Oh. Oh, okay. They're so tiny. Can you see them? Get in there. Get in there. Whew. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I cannot wait until we have a video where I'm sharing tea with you, basil tea that is. So stick around, make sure you are subscribed, that the notification bells are on, because you're gonna wanna enjoy this basil tea with me. Trust me. Until next time, peace. Bye now.